Got some tacuache playing, some corridos and shit. Anyways, this is a cutaway I made of a LaGard 2200 safe lock. I made this one on a Bridgeport vertical mill that we have at work. A lot of fun to make. So much fun that I made a second one. Except the only difference is the cutaway I made for the fence is different compared to this one here. We'll take a look at both of them. First, I'll show you the operations of the lock from the lock cover. We'll take a look at the little peephole I made for the fence and gates. And then on this side here, you won't see the gates at all here, but you can at least see the wheels move. And I'll show you this one, but just on the fence side. As an added bonus, this here is a cutaway I made on a Scandinavian Mul-T-Lock MTL800. I did an okay job, I would say, but I definitely made these holes a little too big. They're the right size for each of the pins, but for the finger pins here, one, you can't see the pins 2 and 4, and yet when the key's not in there, these have a tendency to slide out. Obviously, when the key is in here, it'll keep it captured. You can see the bar for the finger pins or sliders, and then the key pins right there, and you can see the drivers move up and down. So yeah.